there. I am going to be putting on a short wig today. We are having a heat wave where I'm at and want to try wearing a short wig. So I actually just recently bought a large Milano topper wig grip, and I bought it because I have a couple wigs when I wear them because of my 22.5 circumference of my head. They just kind of give me a slight headache, and so I got this to like cut down on the bulkiness of a regular wig grip. And I can't go without a wig grip because I have slippery straight hair and it would just not stay on good. So anyway, I'm going to try putting this on. There's a label on this side. This is supposed to, it says wear with label facing down on the right side. This is my right side. So I'm going to put it on like this. Putting it under my hair. And I made it kind of loose because I don't want any discomfort. So look, there, I've got that. I'm going to put on a short Tressalure wig, which I think it's been discontinued, but I'm going to put this one on. It's cute. It's fun to wear for a change. So I'm going to put on the wig. Looking for the ear tabs with my fingers. Going to pull it up to where my hairline is, right there. And pulling it down at the nape. Again, I'm feeling for the tabs and pushing them to my head. All right. So, what do I want to do with this? Let's see. Using my fingers, loofing it around to loosen up the fibers. I'm gonna look in the mirror so I can see how it's looking. All right. Try moving it this way, see if I like that. Nope, don't like that. It is an asymmetrical short pixie. It's called the angle pixie. Just want to see where I want it to go. Glasses back on. Almost got it there. I kind of like that. That's kind of cute. All right, so I'm gonna make a circle so you can see how it's looking. There's the back. Hopefully no hair is escaping from my head. There's the other side. And there's the front. I gotta tell you a funny story about this dog. The other day I woke up and stood up out of my bed and white feathers started flying around, and I realized she had nibbled the tiniest hole in a corner of a feather pillow, and oh my gosh, they were flying all over the room. And so I had to go take everything out to shake it out, and feathers were flying outside, and I had to get my vacuum cleaner and vacuum up around the room, and still some escaped, and I had to sew up that pillow edge. What a surprise to wake up to that in the morning. Anyway, I hope that you are having a really good day, and it's almost summer here where I'm at, and I know it is about to be winter time in the southern hemisphere. I'm in the northern hemisphere. And so wherever you are, whatever season you're having, I wish you the very best. Hope to see you in the future. Bye-bye.